.10 and 8.11, forefoot varus wedge and forefoot valgus wedge. These are essentially the same type of idea that you're getting with the forefoot adaptions, with the lateral extrinsic forefoot post or medial, but this is done on top of the device, so typically with rubber or padding of your choice. And we then can either choose the angle that you want it to progress from the medial to lateral in a valgus or a varus, and vice versa in a valgus, or the millimeters that you want to see at the peak height of the pad. Okay, so that's a forefoot varus wedge or valgus wedge. You get to choose between a degree that you want to see or the thickness of the material at the thickest point. It's then transitioned to nothing by the alternate side of the device. See you in the next one.